Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to your Illuminati Financial News with Chris. Today we'll be looking at analysis of LVMH. Um, Now, this was doing quite well back before mid 2023, but it seems that it's been selling off a little bit. I think that's because um, alcohol is not as popular, and LVMH is Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton. Uh, so Molt Hennessy, and Hennessy, and it is a bit of a luxury conglomerate, I believe. We can check here, and we can get exactly what it says. Yeah, it's a luxury group, and it does spirits. Now, this is why I think it's been going down, because I don't think the newer generation is so much in tune with that kind of stuff. So maybe well-being is better for them. Uh, you know, I think that's really where they're going, maybe. But anyway, let's look at the financials before we get into the charts. So it has relatively good PE ratio. It's got 2.76, and now this is according to eToro, so it might vary. And also, I noticed the charts vary because I'm using CTrader with Pepperstone as my broker. So, yeah, the price charts vary basically from broker to broker. So you may not be seeing the same price charts or similar. Pardon me. You may not see the similar price charts. I mean, they're similar, but they're not exactly the same. I noticed that when I was looking at Texas, I think it was Texas Instruments, on CTrader with Pepperstone as the broker. So, yeah. Now, I like CTrader more than eToro, but I've been using this because this eToro, because it's just I have my reasons. Let's just say that. Anyway, so I think it's going to drop down. It's going to come down a little bit. Now, this is what I would do if I was going to invest in this. I would wait for it to at least break below this and come down and hope that it goes back up. I won't get in on this open. I think it's even open and market is closed. So I would wait just a bit, a couple weeks. I would see what the price does. Now, we could see it just go straight back up, but I don't really think that's going to happen for some reason. I think that it needs to come down to this level, the 436 level. Now, it's probably going to try and challenge it, so it's going to go a little bit below maybe. And then I would look for having a limit order there, a pending limit order. And I would just, go for the upside. I do see potential in this stock. I see that it had been doing quite well. Doesn't look like it's in particularly any trouble. Maybe it's just the revenue wasn't as expected for the past few years. So yeah. And also there's this ray line. What I think will happen is it will go up and it will hit this ray and come back down and then begin to challenge it, the ray, and then it will begin to go up, as we see here. Now, I'm going to look at analysis to see what price chart targets people have chosen. So it has two positive because it's 635 right now. Wait, that's not right. It is currently 471. So yeah, they all saying going up. So they all say going up. So yeah, I think it's an opportunity if you're interested in that. I mean, it has the P ratio. It has dividends if you're going to invest, and there's still also another one here. I was looking at this one earlier, but I forgot about it. I can imagine it would challenge this because it challenged this quite a bit. So I can imagine this being challenged again and possibly popping above. But what usually happens is it does this kind of thing. Let's just get rid of this for now. So what it does is it goes up and then it goes like this when it does break through. Usually it'll break through and you want to see that. Usually I do see this fairly often. So in my opinion, that it will do a little bit. Sometimes it won't even touch the ray, but it will do like a. So don't worry if it goes down a little bit if you're in and it breaks through. And let's check news and see if there's anything here. Yeah, well, I think that's about it. I don't see. So a consumer drop of their products, I think. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's about it from me. Um, you know, stay safe, invest safe, trade safe. You know, it's a bit of a tough time with the Iran thing, and I keep on saying going on about the Iran, but that's all it seems to be about. So, yeah.